after Ice Cube made a scenario and aired it on TV.
I'm gonna watch TV.
The serial killer is Alex. Her name is Pencil. She has a spiked baseball bat and she killed one person, including Ice Cube.
I give up and you make an emergency order me.
Alright, you're coming with me.
I didn't do shit.
But you have a spiked baseball bat.
Grr, I know you're gonna beat your ass.
Okay, you're under arrest.
I give you fucking asshole.
That's what Pencil gets.
When Pencil bailed herself out,
I give up and you make that fake emergency awards and then that's in your fucking spell. Give me your fucking ass.